Turn on. Slap.
No, sir, I can't about that.
See, look up at the flash my around and run off. Look up at it. And now you're hungry father while ago, yeah?
You cook.
What you say a while ago?
No cook.
The way you angled me a while ago, if you cook you on the phone. The way you flashed me off a while ago, push me away. You should have cooked. I cook you on a
You
pot.
think you're not going to work? How comes? You call out?
No.
Why?
She not put my schedule for today.
You should have gone here. That's just a forever and polish her.
No.
Ta-da! Ta-da! What a guan, guys. We're back with another video. We are going to talk about Jamaica patois. Yes, we're going to talk about Jamaica patois. Broken English. If you're from a different culture and go, Jamaica is an English country.
English speak.
Jamaica is an English speaking country. Jamaican patois.
Well, Ann, let me ask you something. Country people, some country,
Yeah.
why them have a different, like them chat, them would call it chat bad.
Country meaning Jamaica.
Yeah, like living in the country era them.
Alright, so
Alright, the people them from Montego Bay.
it's all different from Clarendon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them have a slang. Them have a a slang when them talk or.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you, like, for instance, St. Ann people would I say, St. Ann people would say, me they come. And Clarendon people would say, me a come. So when you hear somebody from St. Ann say, me they coming or me they come, they must say, I am coming.
So when them a come, so they said, see me?
Me don't know.
Me they come. That's what I see me?
So you know, yeah, these companies with their foolish things.
No, but come to think about it.
Me they come.
When the first time them go and say
Yeah,
it.
but like, me a come, man, me a come. Me soon come.
When they say that? In another time they
No,
oh, yeah.
like if me call you, like, say you're there over there, so I'm saying, H, come here.
Montego Bay people say me there too, you know.
Yeah, Montego Bay, but Montego Bay in the center, like, no, fall under center, no.
St. James.
St. James.
Same-
Oh, yeah,
same
St. James.
North Coast,
Yeah. North Coast. Me they come. You know, hear me say me they come. Yeah. And
And
then
then now you have
Clarendon
some part of
people.
Clarendon, some part of Clarendon.
Yeah.
My little brother and father come from Clarendon and them talk different too. I mean, hear other Clarendon people talk
different.
different. Like,
Yeah.
it's like the lingua.
Yeah.
Maybe down in the bushy part, them have a different lingua from in the close to the city, in the town area.
Yeah.
But it's strange though.
Me a come. Me they come. Me soon come. All of that is
Let me give you a
the
drama.
English word of I am coming.
And the
I am
uptown
coming.
people, them,
Yeah.
the country people, them say, me they come. The Kingston people, them say, me I come.
Me a come.
And the St. Andrew, uptown people, them say, I am coming.
Yeah.
Wonder if when them are
I am coming.
Wonder if when them are really have come, so them say it to me too. I am coming.
No, I don't believe that.
them chat part of them time there.
Yeah, what open for door?
And they just say that. They just make up their face.
Open for door, eh? Oh my God.
But the right way for say it when I come, and me I come, you know. The real patois that come out of you. It's just
Me I
like
come.
it's just like when you say in America now, when you get upset, like when you get upset, you don't want to set of people where you have to talk with them, understand it. So you have to try to talk American talk. Then.
Right.
And you get upset. You can't do that no more. A patois come out, you know.
You can't, yeah.
A patois
It's
come
like
out.
you're ready for just trip it.
Yeah, and
Trip it. It
yeah.
no matter how much.
And then they understand it, them still, but them know you're upset.
Yeah,
but
they don't say
what you
upset, but
say.
they don't know nothing what you say.
I don't know we alone. And the nation too.
Yeah, it's
When
true.
they get upset, the language come
Them
out.
language come on.
Them can't
Control it. Like you just want to trip where you want to trip, and you just want to say where you want to say.
you just want to let out, you want to
Like,
express
and they
yourself.
were like, "What? What is she talking
But
about?"
they know you're upset. Them say it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I guess every culture have it. Americans can't say nothing when me in English when we don't understand.
Because
Everything where them say in English, we understand.
Because we grew up on them.
Right.
We watch the TV and them.
Right.
We actually talk American before we even
The American.
dream of coming to America.
Right.
And we are pitting, we say some things like talk like American.
Right. Well, not me, because I not grew up in them luxury. I watch
Well,
TV, but
yeah.
but
I know it's a brainwash thing though.
Yeah.
Brainwashing.
But to be honest, you know, like when you really think about it, you know, to have broken English, like, you know, some things where Jamaican say, like sometimes them not even so close to English, to where you want to say.
You see?
It's so bad sometimes, like you just can't understand. No matter how them try to figure out what we are say, you just can't understand.
But
Them just can't understand, I mean.
my belief, I believe this strongly. No matter what nobody wants to say, this is my belief. I believe this strongly. I mean more than one people say it. Our Jamaican language, our we talk of Jamaica, that Jamaican language that and a bad talking. Or nothing like that. Our language that. Yeah. Our language, Jamaican language that. As some call it. It's Jamaican, our language that.
You don't know what you are talking about. You don't know what you are talking about. Or what you are talking about. You know?
It's just that we don't learn it in a school.
You don't know what you don't know what you are talking about. A foolishness you are talking.
Because by right, them should have teach you our language in a school. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, proper patois or patois. Yeah, them should have teach it. But then take our language and give it the English and call our language bad.
And then now you have to come up with the spelling of the word for all of them, something you have to be honest to you.
They can spell. Of course they can spell.
It hard.
It has B clot and C clot and R clot and all of them they can spell.
Yeah, me know they can spell, but like some of the patois them, sometimes when me I try to figure out, like if me I write a text and me I talk to somebody, me I try to figure out how the hell them spell. Like, me don't know how to spell them. And then when me try even type it up on the phone, try to spell it, the phone not send off it because it don't recognize it.
But the phone program for our language.
Yeah. So, and then it just send foolishness. Change the way me spell and send foolishness. Jamaican, we need to give like a list of things, a list of words where in a English or Jamaican talk patois.
Yeah, I mean, I like to go and do a patois course, you know?
For real?
You know, to speak patois proper. Not even say proper if there's a word that's proper patois, but the art of patois. If you know what I'm saying. Yeah, because it's a language. Yeah, it's a language.
All right,
I love it.
Yeah, I love it too, because sometimes when I talk to somebody when I speak patois, like American or whatever, I try to, no matter what, some part of the patois I go come in at the conversation, and then they will hear. Sometimes me I talk to them and forgot to say them me I talk about. And this is how patois can mess you up, because
Piece of patois just roll off.
piece of the patois just chip in upon them and them like, huh? What did you just say? They don't have no clue, you know. So sometimes we have talk good to them in English, and then the patois just chip in and I totally forgot to say. I know somebody were used to
some
it.
of them say, if you speak like what? Huh?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Yeah.
If you speak like what?
Yeah.
Oh, my face? It's alright.
And even that.
And they still understand
they
what
don't
they hear the word.
understand
They hear
it,
your face.
right. Yeah, then hear your face.
Whereas if you talk fast, if you speak like what?
And then if you say something good you say, you
Yeah.
can't say that, and they will think of something good you say. They don't know, then just...
Upon my workplace, at the garage, one time, like if 2 or 3 Jamaican within the damn room and chill, 2 or 3 are we in there, how we attack, the place silent. The place is silent. They love hear the accent still, you know?
Yeah.
And just wish them would have known what we are saying.
Yeah.
The place is silent and them just say so.
Because then you not talk and then you know what I say.
And then you say, we all don't know what the hell you were talking about.
Because of that lick up the patois. Yeah. And the other thing is that sometimes you're with the around an English person and you're there on your phone and you literally are trying to talk for them understand. You know, like, but no reason for talk for them understand. You don't want them to know your business, especially in that case. Because me they work already, you know, and me I talk patois straight, you know, and they must say, what are you talking about? I don't understand nothing that you're saying.
It's right. No, you can understand. That's why I talk so.
Nothing.
Too fast.
I don't hear nothing that you just said. I don't understand nothing. What kind of language is that?
And they know if them from another country we don't speak English, you know, and then buck up on them compatriot.
Yeah.
They go talk for the language.
Same way. You don't
saying.
understand.
Them all like chatting and they're on.
Right. That's so you sit down and you don't
when you look on them,
understand.
say like,
Yeah. And then one smile and then they
beat
just...
your body.
And then the minute you turn on your head, they
and them a beat
you would
your
have
body.
never think say them just smile a while ago. Them like... If you look around upon them so... And when you turn your head so, then come so...
But me,
Like them never smile.
call the patois then. I call it language right there. No, I call it no.
Patois?
Bad talk, you know.
Broken English.
Yeah, our language that Jamaican language that.
Patois country.
Yeah, but true, sometimes we mix it up with the English
Yeah.
and try to talk proper English and we mix it up
And then it just messed up. Like sometimes you try to explain something in a patois and then you also gone in a English. You know? You explain something in a English and you also gone in a patois. I love patois. It's like I love patois because sometimes no matter how much try to do the English, especially because I don't know when me
English teacher when I get in English brain everything, you know, so I hit the system that they set. You know, them set up an English system, a system where we have to learn the system in order to achieve certain things in our life.
right.
And put our own aside. So, you know, so we try to mix up we try to talk, we're talking our talking, which is patois, but then again, there comes a time when we have to try to clean it up.
Make it look like English.
Forgot to Philemon, because if you don't know Philemon, it's like, you're not going nowhere. You have to kind of read it, write it,
Yep.
spell it too.
Yeah, and then should I really teach patois in a school because at least you would really know how to spell certain things.
Yeah.
Certain things in a patois.
Patois,
It's like you can't just spell it anyhow.
yeah, and
like-
the real patois don't have no
Control.
English in it, you know, proper English in it. You know.
You don't have no proper English in it, and you can't spell it sometimes anyhow. Like
The real pattern have no English
like
in it.
me can't, like can't. You can't no. I mean N-U-H you can't spell it. If you spell it N-O-H, it's
No.
No.
N-U-H and no.
yeah.
N-O-H and not too, you know, but
Yeah.
the patois no.
Yeah.
N-O-H is like, is a word that spell and left off some night.
Right. But
N-O-H.
but it's the patois.
No.
No?
N-U-H.
N-U-H, right? N-U-H, that's how
yeah.
it's spelled. But like, when me just start to spell it, N-O-H me used to. So obviously me that pronounce it different. But me just start learning how to do spell patois like 2 years ago, you know?
See it? Because we have to spell
Like,
it off our own.
yeah,
We have to make up our
like
own
me
spelling.
literally starts to spell patois about 2 years ago. Not long. Me I try if it spell patois. Never.
I
Eh?
know our language.
Yeah, me never know how to spell nothing in a patois like 3 years ago. It's so weird.
We get a drama. We go to a drama, people. One night, what me I talk about how I in my teens, years ago, in Jamaica. Me and my brethren them, you know, we team up and we go to St. Thomas and dance. St. Thomas, we up in some bush part of St. Thomas. Ask me where me they go right now, the name of the place, me no remember. I even for Derek, so me no remember where we they go, but me know we up in some bush. They go one dance, big dance, you know, man. Dance cock. I'm bridging them go there now, you know, man. And me say, man, we go dance, you know, go there for look at girl, you know, for dance for the night, you know. So me stay, you know. Well, I saw we did stay. So I'm go there now and get me dragon, you know. Tell the dragon me a drink.
Look, a young boy I drink dragon.
Yeah, I mean.
Old man drink dragon.
But, old man drink dragon? Poor you. You wouldn't understand. But anyway, get me dragon now and, alright, everybody separate up now because it's hunting time now, you know, for find girl. So, you know, me there and I mean, I pray a girl now and I step up to her. Me, you know, I remember say country, me there in a bush, you know. Your thing say, I some uptown me there. Step up to the girl. Go down in her ears. May I have this dance? Down in her ears, me there. May I have this dance? The girl, she not understanding me, so she asked, she said, she asked me about 3 times. But me thinks I told the nice, she not hear me good. So I go down in her ears, man. May I have this dance? So she figure out where me I said, the girl look at me and say, "Time for and can't out." You know that mean?
Stay for and dance with me.
Time for and can't out. So what the hell? What she say a while ago?
No, yeah, but
So when we go down there years again, I mean, she
don't want you to part. She don't want.
Time for and can't out. At them time when I pick up on her, I mean, so all right, we got to country with that.
She don't want you to be too close.
Yeah, she don't want close up.
Nobody had come dance up on her. So she has to stay far if you want dance and dance. You know, you can't dance, but you have to
stand for and can't out.
Close and skirt. I want that.
When you tell me that? Is that my last night? I just walk a left far. What you mean the time for and can't out one?
Yo! Time for and can't
out. And skank me come for lockdown. What's that time for and can't out?
Alright guys, that's it for this video. We will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you don't already subscribe. And leave us a comment. Let me know in the comment section what you think. And we appreciate you guys for watching our channel. And we just want to say thank you.
And don't turn for and can't out. Go close.
Alright guys. Bye. You have gray hair now.
And a grey.
Oh well.
A silver hair.
Oh yeah?
You don't know grey. Look on my watch and look on the color of the hair.
Let's see how it look.
A silver hair.
Yeah.
And a grey.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.